Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brake fluid and power steering fluid that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have Johnson's 4611 Power Steering Fluid, a product that stands out for its high-quality formula designed to enhance steering performance. The 1-gallon bottle is ideal for those looking for a long-lasting supply, and it comes packed with features like noise reduction, anti-slipping properties, and seal protection. Its conditioning capabilities help prevent unusual wear, making it a reliable option for maintaining the integrity of your steering system. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy bottle that ensures easy pouring without spills. At 128 fluid ounces and weighing 7.9 pounds, this product is best suited for professional garages or those who perform regular fluid changes on multiple vehicles. However, the lack of detailed pricing information might make it harder for consumers to evaluate its value proposition. While Johnson's fluid excels in performance and longevity, it may not be the best option for specialized systems since it doesn't cater to specific OEM requirements. The pros include its versatility and effectiveness in reducing noise and wear, but the cons are the absence of a clear price point and compatibility details. Overall, Johnson's is a dependable choice for general use, but ensure it aligns with your vehicle's requirements before purchasing. At number 4, we have the genuine Toyota Fluid 00475 1BF03 brake fluid, a DOT3 certified product designed specifically for Toyota vehicles. What makes this brake fluid stand out is its superior vapor lock prevention, thanks to its high boiling point. This ensures consistent performance during heavy braking or high-temperature conditions. Additionally, its corrosion and leakage prevention make it an excellent choice for keeping your brake system in optimal condition over time. The design is compact with a 12-ounce bottle that's easy to store and handle. The fluid is formulated for use in the master brake cylinder and meets OEM specifications, making it an ideal choice for Toyota owners who want to stick to the manufacturer-recommended fluids. However, if you own a non-Toyota vehicle, this product might not deliver the same level of compatibility or performance. The pros of this brake fluid include its high boiling point for vapor lock reduction and its compatibility with original Toyota systems. On the downside, the small bottle size means it may not be economical for larger vehicles or extensive use cases. In summary, the Toyota brake fluid is a premium choice for Toyota owners, but may not be the best fit for universal applications. Coming in at number 3 is the Honda 08206 9002 PE Power Steering Fluid Pack of 3, a product specifically engineered for Honda vehicles. This bundle includes 3 12-ounce bottles, totaling 36 ounces of fluid, making it an excellent value for Honda owners who prefer to stock up for future maintenance. Unlike generic power steering fluids, this product is formulated to prevent damage to Honda's unique power steering system, ensuring longevity and smooth performance. The bottles are compact and easy to use, with a leak-proof design for hassle-free pouring. The fluid itself is highly effective in maintaining consistent steering performance, even during prolonged use. Customer reviews rave about its reliability, with a high rating of 4.8 stars from thousands of satisfied users. However, while it's perfect for Honda owners, it's not compatible with non-Honda vehicles, limiting its versatility. The pros of this product include its OEM reliability, multi-pack value, and consistent performance. The only notable drawback is its limited compatibility with other brands. If you drive a Honda and want peace of mind with your power steering system, this pack of 3 is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.